So once you've downloaded this and opened it successfully, what you need to do is go to Assets and Import Asset Package Custom Package. And then you go to where you downloaded the FMOD Studio plugins, click Open. It will bring up a window like this. It might look a little different. I've already done this. So then you will get this message here, but we can't do anything about this until we actually set up a session in FMOD. So let's do that. So open up FMOD Studio, and then let's create a new project. And then save it. Go back to the root folder for your project here, and then create a new folder here. And let's call it FMOD. Hit create. This freaked me out once before because it wouldn't let me save it, and it's because I didn't title it. So I'm going to call it my last name underscore FMOD Viking. And then put it in this FMOD folder. Hit save. And then let's go back into Unity. And now we have to address this thing. Start at welcome here, and then you just hit start. And then it's going to say, I need to update some things. That's fine. You just hit next for that. So linking, this is where things get interesting and important. So to get these two programs to talk to one another, you have to tell Unity where your FMOD project is. So let's do that. And we want to associate it with our FMOD Studio project. And then we go into the folder, and the folder that we created, click FMOD, go to Miller underscore FMOD Viking, open that one up, and then open up this little thing with this little interlocking S. Then click open, and then it knows where everything is. It gives you the file structure of that down there. Hit next. And then no FMOD listeners were found. You need to replace the Unity listeners with this. So let's do that. Hit next. Disable built-in audio, because we want it to be thinking about it through FMOD. Hit next. Hit next again. So I'm just going to hit next. Your final end window should look like this. All of them should be checked except listener. That's going to have a yellow X next to it. That is fine. So we close it. You have an FMOD pull-down menu now. Pull this down, and then go to your event browser. And then there it is. So you can actually take this and then put it up here right next to the inspector.